Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Fontana Monique, and I am here today to do my first official wig review. So let's get started. Purchased this wig from Amazon for $220. Came in a really cute bag, so I can put my wig back in it when I'm done wearing it. I'll put that information in the description box. This is my second purchase of this wig, and I'll put a picture in here somewhere to show you how this wig looked when I bleached it to a 2730. And it came with a water bottle and some wig caps and also some care instructions. This wig is 26 inches deep wave human Brazilian 100% free part. The knots are lightly bleached. It has 4 combs, an adjustable strap. And again, you see those baby hairs. Just a nice wig overall. The curls lasted a long time. Again, this is my second purchase, so I bleached this wig 3 times. And this new wig here, as you can see where the tracks start, smells like more like factory. The curls are very, very soft. You can see where the frontal stops on the side. That's my only takeaway from this wig, is that I would like for the frontal to go back just a little bit further. So you can see that track, right there. And now I'm just going to style the wig. I've already applied the GOT2B gel and the freeze spray. So now I'm just locking this wig down. I'm going to wrap it. So it's just a quick tutorial. If you need a more in-depth tutorial, just go to my previous videos. I'm just trying to multitask here and talk to a client. So I know y'all see my mouth moving, but I just got my wireless mic in, so I'm trying to plug this up so I can continue on with this video. For this install, I only used the GOT2B gel and the freeze spray. I did not use the Ghost Bond. I'm just going to sew it down in the back just to keep it down and stable.
That would look cute with a style like this.
And just take your time, you guys, and just so you don't mess it up. It was back a little further than I really wanted it to, so I'm going to eventually just reinstall it and just do it again. And if it's blurry, I apologize. I was just trying to get it close as possible so y'all can see exactly what I'm doing here. And then for any of the little edges that came up, I'm just going to spray that GOT2B free spray and then rewrap it. I'm just going to go around the edges of the lace, and then we'll start the baby hair install. And I need help with makeup. I don't know nothing about makeup. But yes, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and turn the notification bell so you can see the next upcoming video where I'm going to be bleaching. Not this wig, but I'm going to order another wig just like this so I can bleach it. I'm just using the Nairobi. The Nairobi doesn't have any kind of like spritz or anything in it, so it lays the baby hairs down. They do kind of lift a little bit, so I do like the freeze spray better. And now I'm using the bedhead wax and just laying down any of these little flyby hairs that's sticking up. And oh my gosh, y'all, this wig is amazing. I would wear this wig forever. What y'all think? What y'all think about the dark color instead of the blonde? I can really get used to this. Using your water bottle, I'm just going to wet the hair up, and so I can show y'all how the hair looks once it's been wet with water or any kind of mousse, I think, but I just use water. Then I'm going to make my parting and lay down the hair real nicely. This is so beautiful. I mean, even the hair is so silky. I'm all done. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, thumbs up, share, and all that stuff. Thank you guys for watching my channel. I'm Fontana Monique.